Hello everyone. So today I'm going to introduce new artist model, which is I'm gonna share my screen first. Okay. So now you can see the artist model. So there's a couple of pics, and then it contains like a long shot and close up, and also like a blueness and sharp. That's quite variation. You should try it. And now I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, let's go to Photoshop. Okay, the first of all, so you can do just selfie and photograph others, and just simply use the timer function of your cell phone to take yourself. That's it. It's really easy. Yeah. So first of all, so you have to get a black frame, which you saw on artist model. The first of all, I get some new file and a new. The first of all, I'm gonna set meter and just simply 30 and 30 square and centimeters an inch and 300, and then make sure background color is black. It's easy A, and just create. Now I got black seat, and then I open my photo. So I took my selfies and just I got this one first, and then just click unlock and the first, and then click the second from the top, and then make sure I'm gonna make square and the fixed ratio here, just normal fixed ratio and the fixed ratio, and then I'm gonna show just crop. It's like this, and from I think image and just crop. Now I got square and select the deselect. Just simply just copy and paste. And then transform, edit, transform, and scale. The first of all, just fit the same size, just same size, and then click and transform again, transform, scale on again, and then make sure the hit change and just type in 95%. Don't get squid. And now we got like a black frame. Then from bottom half circle, just click and then black and white, and just turn the black and white, and then click layer one again, and from the like here and again, just level. If you like really high contrast photo, just you can make it from here, just using this bar towards the right and other ones towards the left, and you can play with this bar to make a contrast changed, and that looks nice. Just give it a go. Now that's a finish my first one. Then I'm gonna make the second one, and it's quite an easy way to do. Just click this one, and from edit, and just copy and file and new, and Photoshop memorize the size. Just click. It means pixels, but centimeters, 300 an inch, and 30 and 30 is exactly what I want to do. Just create just black one, the AZA, and then just open new file. I don't want to do any more. Just close up and the file this one, and new, just open, and I should go that way. Yep, just open. Now just click the second one, the fixed ratio. I'm gonna crop this little off, and then just clip, simply edit, and let's crop from image. Crop. Okay, so I'm gonna make this image blurred, not really clear. So on this occasion, I'm gonna use a filter. So just blur and lens blur. Just give it a go. And just brightness, you can change its blurriness, increase the number, it's gonna be really blur. And small number, it's gonna get sharp. So I'm going to make it something like around 50. It's quite blur. And just okay. All right. Then just grab this into new one. And just click cancel and edit and transform and scale. And same procedure I did the previously, just same size, and edit, transform, and scale again, and make sure chain is hit, and just type 95%. Just a little bit shorter, a little bit smaller, and just click. Then from half circle bottom, and black and white. And if you want to make this image really highlight, high contrast, just keep the gold levels and just play with slide bars. Looks nice. I don't need this anymore. It's quite easy, eh? Just now we got two images like this, close up, and a middle shot. And if you want long shot, just you can give it a go. So this is what I want to show you. This is model. And then you're gonna make like 6 or 8 photographs. Then you can put them into your boards, and that finish is quite easy and but quite effective. Yep. All right. You should try it. Right. See you.